In this video we are going to learn how to make katori cut blouse. For the katori cut blouse there is a three part for the front, that is one is katori piece main, second one is armhole piece, third one is waist belt part. By joining this we are going to make the katori cut blouse. How to cut and stitch we are going to learn all the methods. To make katori cut blouse we need the measurement, that is length minimum 14 inches or more, bust size that can be taken by bra size, waist around, shoulder width, sleeve length and sleeve bottom. Here the written instructions are given. By following these instructions we can draw the paper pattern this way. This is the figure of the paper pattern. By following the written instruction we can draw this on the paper. First we are going to draw front part pattern. This is 0 to 1. 0 to 1 is the length of the blouse plus 2 inch. 0 to 2 is the total width of the blouse, that is 1/4 of the bust plus 1 inch for comfort and 1 inch for seam. Add 2 inch extra and mark the point 0 to 2. 1 to 3 is same as 0 to 2. Join 0, 1, 3, 2 and 0 to draw a block. 0 to 4 is the armhole length, that is 1/4 of the bust minus 2 inch. That should not be more than 7.5 inch for any bust size. 0 to 5 will be the half of the shoulder plus 1/4 inch and mark the point. 5 to 6 is the half inch down for the shoulder shape. 0 to 7 is the 1/12 of the bust size plus half to 1 inch, that is width of the neck. Join 6 to 7. 0 to 8 is the 6 to 6.5 inch, that is for front neck shape. 4 to 9 is same as 0 to 2. 1 to 10 will be the 1/4 of the waist plus 1 inch for seam. Here we are not adding anything for comfort because on the waist it will be very much fit. 10 to 11 will be the 1/12 of the bust plus half inch for the length of the waistband. 10 to 12 will be the 1 inch less than 1 to 11. If 1 to 11 is 3 inch, that means 10 to 12 will be the 2 inch. Join 11 to 12. 0 to 13 is the 1/4 of the bust plus 1 inch for the bust dart. 13 to 14 is the 3/4 inch, that is apex point of the bust. 11 से 15 बराबर है 13 से 14 के. 11 to 15 is same as 13 to 14. Join 14 to 15. 14 to 16 and 14 to 17 is 1 inch distance for the dart point. Mark 13 to 18 and 13 to 19 half inch both the side and join the dart on 16 to 18 and 16 to 19. 15 to 20 and 15 to 21 is 1 inch both the side and join the dart on 17 to 20 and 17 to 21. To draw the front neck shape, 22 is the meeting point of 7 and 8. 23 is the center point of 8 to 22. 24 is the center point of 7 to 22. Draw a curve shape on 8, 23, 24 and 7 for the front neck shape. To draw front armhole shape, 5, 6 and 25 is a straight line. 26 is the center point of 5 to 25. 26 to 27 is half inch inside. Draw curve shape on 6, 27 and 9 for the front armhole shape. To draw katori shape, mark the point 12 to 28, 2.5 inch, 25 to 29, 2 inch, 22 to 30, 1 inch. Join 28, 29 and 30 with curve shape for the katori shape. Now we are going to cut this paper pattern on 8, 23, 24, 7, 6, 27, 9, 12, 10. And now separate the waistband on 11 to 12 and separate the waist belt front armhole part and the katori part on 28, 29 and 30. We have to redraw the shape of the katori piece on the separate paper and to get the final piece. After cutting three parts of the katora cut blouse, this katora piece placed on another paper and redraw the outline. To cover up this 2 inch of the dart, we have to extend point 18. Extend 18 to A by 2 inch and redraw the shape from A 19 and 20. Mark A to B 1.5 inch and draw the shape on B to 17. This will be the final piece of katora. Cut final piece on 17, B, 19 and 20. To draw the paper pattern, this is the instruction written on the paper. By following this written instruction, draw the paper pattern and how to cut, those points are also mentioned here. To draw back part for the katori cut blouse, we are going to follow the instruction this way and the figure is here. 0 to 1 is the length of the blouse plus half inch. 0 to 2 is the total width of the blouse, that is 1/4 of the bust plus 1 inch for comfort and 1 inch for stitching. Add all these and mark the point 0 to 2. 1 to 3 is same as 0 to 2. Join 0, 1, 3 and 2 to draw a block. 0 to 4 will be the back armhole length, that is 1/4 of the bust minus 2 inch. Never take more than 7.5 inch for any bust size. 0 to 5 will be the half of the shoulder plus 1/4 inch. 5 to 6 is the half inch for the shoulder shape. 0 to 7 is the 1/12 of the bust plus half to 1 inch, that is for neck width. 0 to 8 is the back neck length, can be taken as per choice. Join 6 to 7. 4 to 9 is same as 0 to 2. 1 to 10 is the 1/4 of the waist measurement plus 1.5 inch for the dart and 1 inch for seam. Add all these and mark 1 to 10. 1 to 11 will be the 3/4 inch for the dart. 11 to 12 will be the total length of the blouse, 1/3 of the total length of the blouse. That may be, if the blouse length is 15, then we can take that measurement for 5. 11 to 13 and 11 to 14, each side 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch. Totally it will be the 1.5 inch. Mark the points and draw the dart on 12 to 13 and 12 to 14. To draw back neck shape, 15 is the center meeting point of 8 to 7, 16 is the center point of 8 to 15 and 17 is the center point of 7 to 15. Draw a curve shape on 8, 16 and 17 for back neck shape. To draw back armhole shape, 5, 6 and 18 is the straight line. 19 is the center point of 5 to 18. Draw a curve shape on 19 to 9. Join 9 to 10. Cut back part on 8, 17, 7, 6, 19, 9 and 10. By following this written instruction, paper pattern for the back part can be drawn. To draw the sleeve pattern, on fold mark 0 to 1, that is blouse length plus blouse sleeve length plus 1.5 inch for fold and hem. 0 to 2 will be the width of the sleeve, that is 1/4 of the bust. 1 to 3 is same as 0 to 2. Join 0, 1, 3 and 2 to draw a block for sleeve. Now to draw armhole shape, we are taking few points, that is 4 is the center point of 0 to 2, 5 is the center point of 0 to 4, 5 to 6 measure 1/4 inch inside, 4 to 7 half inch inside and 7 to 8 is 1/4 inch inside. If the blouse sleeve length is more than 7 more than 7 inch, then measure 2 to 9 same as 2 to 4. For the short sleeve length, mark 9 as the center point of 2 to 3. 1 to 10 is the 1.14 inch for the fold of the sleeve. 10 to 11 is the half of the sleeve bottom plus 1 inch for seam. 10 to 11 is the half sleeve bottom plus 1 inch for seam. 1 to 12 is same as 10 to 11. Join 11 to 12. 12 to 13 is the half inch outside. Join 9, 11 and 13.